Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an influencer unboxing. I'm gonna put my chips to the side, snacking on the wrap snacks. Today we're doing an influencer unboxing. I received this package 2 or 3 days ago. So these are the two products that I received. I got the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the dewy+smooth one, and this one has SPF 18. It's for normal to dry skin. I got mine in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. I'm wearing it right now, as well as the primer, and I feel like this is a really good shade match. I also got the Master Prime primer, and it's supposed to hydrate and smooth, and I really like this as well. Now the card that comes with it, as far as the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. It says, "Get glowing with Maybelline New York's Fit Me Dewy+Smooth Foundation. Formulated with a smoothing concentrate, this luminous foundation will leave your skin looking radiant." Now for me, my skin didn't look just glowy, but it didn't look dry either. I wouldn't say that this is very luminous. However, sometimes foundations differ shade to shade. So me speaking on this shade specifically, to me it didn't look very dewy. I would say it looked matte. Yeah. It is available in 16 shades. However, I think that they could have did way better as far as the darker shades, because they have plenty light shades, but when it gets deeper, there's only about, what, 5 deep shades. So I feel like they could do a little bit better with that. So yeah, as far as this foundation, the wear is great. It wears longer than my favorite Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, which is a big deal because like that's been my holy grail foundation forever. And this one has kind of came in and I'm like, I'm kind of liking this a little bit more. But the one thing that I will say is better about my Milani is the coverage. This is good coverage. It can definitely be full coverage, but for me, and I have like scarring and things underneath my foundation, it still kind of peeks through. However, I don't mind it. It's not something that I find is a big deal, but I feel like if you have more problematic skin than I do, you may not find the coverage that you want in this. Another thing, my Milani Perfect and Conceal foundation will break down on me before the end of the day, whereas this lasts all day on my skin. I can literally wake up, put this on in the morning, and wash my face at 9 or 10 at night, and it's still intact and it still looks good, and it does not get nearly as oily as my other one gets. This one controls my oil way better, but like I said, this one goes on a lot more matte, I guess you could say, than that one. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up everything that I have to say about this foundation here. I do recommend it. It's only like $5 or $6, so definitely go pick it up, go try it out. As far as the primer, I really like this primer, and it's crazy because I don't use primers. I tried to get into primers a while back, but it didn't do anything for my skin. At least that's what I felt like. But this one, honestly, it does hydrate your skin, and it makes your skin feel so nice, and it kind of gives it almost a tacky feel also, so you feel like you kind of have a base for your foundation to stick to, which I really enjoy. When I wore this primer, I didn't notice it breaking the foundation down. Do I think it made my makeup wear longer? No, but as far as making application a little bit better, I do think that it did that. Now this is a clear foundation, a clear primer. It comes out white, but when you rub it into the skin, it goes clear, and it just gives you this nice hydrated feeling. And let me go ahead and show you the shade of the foundation. And this is pretty watery. Oh shit, fuck. Now I gotta like scrape this back in here, that was way too much. I'm wasting it. This is pretty watery, but I really do enjoy how thin it is because it doesn't look thick or cakey on the skin, and it just blends out so beautifully. So yeah, these are the two items I received. I'm wearing them both right now, and the video that I just filmed before this one, creating this look, you can see me actually put these products to use, and you can see kind of how my skin looks before compared to after. I'm pretty sure you guys know, if you've watched a couple of my videos, that I don't have perfect skin by any means. I have quite problematic skin. So if a foundation can take my skin with all the scarring and the breakouts that I still do get, if it can take it from that to this, I'm all for it. So I really do enjoy working with Influencer. This is probably my 5th or 6th box that I've gotten out from them. I only have a couple unboxings on my channel, but I will definitely link those down below for you guys to check out. Also, the link to sign up for Influencer will be down below, so be sure to click that link and sign up. And then when you sign up, don't forget to fill out your snaps and like complete your profile and things, because that's the only way that you're gonna get a box. So yeah, I think that was about it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.